Artificial intelligence and machine learning have been integral to my 30-year-long IT career, but it has never been under the umbrella of a design program, which I believe is very important to solve various business problems. Hey, I'm Tony Vigna. I live in California. I'm currently working with a multinational consulting firm as a solutions architect. In my 30-year-long career, I have headed several organizations and led multiple teams. My last company was PENNYMAC, where I was Senior Vice President. There, I worked extensively with AI and ML technologies. I developed machine learning models for opportunities in mortgage banking. I decided to take the course to test myself and fill any knowledge gaps. Since I'm a working professional, I really enjoyed the flexible schedule. The classes were on weekends and did not collide with working hours, so it was really helpful. While taking the course, I realized there were gaps in the way we were approaching things at work and how we were using AI in some of the projects. The certification helped me fill those gaps. I learned a lot about Python, Keras, TensorFlow, and other machine learning libraries and techniques. I plan to use these skills in my current job as well. I like to play golf in my free time. I believe it takes a lot of patience and hard work to make a master stroke in golf, and the same applies to one's professional career.